Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Pluto TV account. If you don't remember your password while logging into your Pluto TV account, then here is the easy way you can follow. Open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in pluto.tv and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website of Pluto TV, go ahead and mouse over to the human icon at the top right and click sign in. In the sign in page, you'll need to type in your valid email and password for the account. If you don't remember the password during logging in, then all you need to do is to click on this forgot password link. On the next page, it'll then ask you to enter your email. Make sure to enter the correct email address associated with the account and click on the Send Reset Link button. Now, a password reset link has been sent to your email inbox. Open a new tab and log into your email inbox. Make sure to open up the same email associated with Pluto TV. If you've changed into a new email, you'll need to open up the new email inbox. Once you see the Pluto TV email, go ahead and click it open and click on Reset Password Now, which will then take you to a new tab where you can easily change to a new password. Enter the new password in the first text box and re-enter the password on the next field again. Finally, click Reset Password and you have successfully reset to a new password. You'll need to now click on Return to log in and enter your email address and your new password that you just reset to into the password text box. Now click sign in and then you have successfully reset your new password and log in with the new password as well. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.